Well, hi guys, welcome to this Money Control live stream. It's a new Samvat, of course, that started yesterday on a very good or sparkling note, so to say, given the fact that we had reclaimed that 19,500 mark decisively yesterday. But today, once again, some bit of profit booking
Yeah.
kicking in or at highs, given the fact that we have given up the 19,500 mark, we are somewhere around that 19,450 mark. And, even the mid and small cap end of the markets are fairly muted today, even though small caps are outperforming, but mid caps are in the red. And if you look at the advanced decline ratio, it's tilted in favor of
Yeah.
losers today, Yatin. Looking at the sectors, most of the sectors in the red, barring the PSU banking pack, that's holding firm. 1.5% kind of up move coming in there, and metals as a pack, as a pocket, was also managing to just about hold up. But on the flip side, IT and pharma, these
Yeah.
are the top sectoral losers. If you look at the Nifty gainers, Yatin, Coal India, very good up move coming in, given the fact that we saw earnings coming in above estimates. You have Jeffries upgrading the stock as well. We'll talk about that in just a bit. Aside of that, Aisha Motors, on the back of good earnings and positive brokerage views, is also among the top Nifty gainers. NTPC, BPCL, and Power Grid. So the day belongs to PSU, so to
Correct.
say, Yatin. On the flip side, SBI Life, Bajaj Finance continues to lose. Apollo Hospitals, that was, in fact, among the top gainers last week, most of the time has slipped into the red. Cipla, Tech Mahindra are some of the other losers. Talking about Coal India, Yatin, Jeffries, as I mentioned, has upgraded the stock to buy, target price at 385 rupees. It believes that the strong volumes that the company saw has offset the impact of lower realizations, in terms of e-auction prices, as well as higher employee costs.
Yeah.
And it believes that the volume growth trajectory has improved and it is sustainable going forward. It also believes that that the big impact of wage hike and lower e-auction price fall has already been factored in,
Correct.
and it has played out. So it has upgraded the FY24 to FY26 EPS by a solid 18 to 42%. So that's why the stock is up somewhere around 4% or thereabouts. Aisha Motors, on the other hand, Yatin,
Good
strong
numbers. Yeah.
numbers.
Better than
Yeah,
expectations.
better than expected. And Jeffries has also reinforced the fact that the impact of Hero and Bajaj launches will not be that much that the street was fearing, right? And it also believes that there is case for a re-rating where Aisha is concerned. So that was about the large cap universe, Yatin. But we still continue to see result reactions when it comes to some of these mid cap and names. But talking particularly about PFC, that stock has gained for a sixth straight day, and it's clocking its biggest winning streak
Yeah.
in the last 6 months. Yatin, what are the other movers in the mid cap stock
So,
end of the markets?
in the FNO space, BHEL and Hindustan Copper as well as PFC, all of these stocks are doing well in trade. In fact, PFC, we spoke about it as to how CLSA believes that it is at a 50% discount in terms of valuation to REC. So that stock is moving, but Hindustan Copper, obviously the second quarter numbers were good, and they have floated a tender for the Jharkhand mines for the mining operator. Mining operator and developer both. So I think that stock is in focus any which ways. BHEL, obviously there is speculation in the market that they might win a big tender from the power sector. So that stock is quite active. What's not doing well is Glenmark and Biocon. Both of these stocks probably post the quarterly two numbers or ahead of that numbers have been under pressure, and that pressure continues. What's also not doing well is Medanta and Prestige Estate. So profit taking coming in at higher levels. Coal India, Nandita, as you were mentioning, that stock is smartly gaining
Yeah.
in the FNO space. So strong gains coming in there. What's also doing well and has hit a fresh 52-week high is BSC Limited. That stock is surged 6%.
It's
On the
still on
Mota
fire.
trading day,
Yeah.
that stock was up 6%. So
Yeah.
2 days of strong gains coming in. Navily Lignite, that stock is up 5%. CAMS, Wellspun India are the other stocks in the mid cap space which are doing well. And stocks which are at 52-week high include the likes of Jyoti Laboratories, MCX, Credit Access Grameen, Suzlon, CDSL.
Right. I think LIC also deserves mention.
Hmm.
Even though the stock is down 0.5% or thereabouts, numbers have been fairly disappointing.
Hmm.
50% drop in profit, and the value of new business is also slumped 10% for the first
Correct.
half. So that stock not doing well. But apparently there's been an end to the lock-in period as well, which has freed up considerable number of shares. So that stock is under pressure. Aside of that, I think we had a debut as well. PAN card services provider Protean eGov. That stock has listed very flat. even though there were expectations that it will see a double-digit premium, it has in fact managed to just about list at its issue price of 792 rupees per share. But Yatin, as you were mentioning about BSC and MCX and the likes, I think I was talking to Hemang Jani in the
Hmm.
morning on my morning show, and he also said that for the new Samvat, these are the stocks
To
that
watch out
should
on.
be in focus, and that should be on your list for the new Samvat as a theme, because they have already seen quite few sessions of up move, but looks like they are poised for a more upside
Correct.
going forward. But with that, I think we have come to the end of this midday market mood check. Of course, join us at 3:30 p.m. We'll be talking about how the market shut shop, all the stocks that have been on our radar this afternoon, and of course the setup for tomorrow as well. But with that, thanks a lot for tuning in from Yatin and me. Goodbye. Stay tuned to Money Control for all your other news and updates.